If you've got a kid that needs a little extra batting practice, then this practice net is a total game changer. This is a baseball and softball hitting net that attaches right to your garage door. It was easy to hang up. I'm going to show you the steps here. And when practice is over, it just rolls up for storage. So there's no big bulky netting that's taking up space in the yard or the garage. It's perfect for batting, pitching, or just burning off some energy. It works for both kids and adults. If you've got a little leaguer or even a dad who's just reliving the glory days, this setup can handle both. It's way better than chasing balls all over the driveway. There's no more cracked fence boards. Ask me how I know. This is such a smart gift idea for any baseball or softball family. It was super, super easy to hook up. We actually changed the way it attaches to the garage because ours didn't have the little gaps. The only thing I will recommend is the sandbags come empty, so just be prepared with some sand. We just used some soil bags that we happen to have in the garage for this round, and then filled up our sandbags later. But it worked perfect, and my son was super excited. You can hit it from inside the garage out or outside the garage in, and it worked both ways super, super well.